Hey guys, welcome to the second part of this two-part series of this episode. Here I'll show you what fits in my new Louis Vuitton Multi Pochette. I have the bicolor design here in the black and cream. I just got my hands on this beauty and unboxed it in the first part of this video series. If you're interested in the unboxing and some words of wisdom, I'll pop a link to that video up here and also in my description below. I'll go ahead and detach the small pochette. I think the small pochette is such a cute piece to wear by itself, either crossbody with the all leather strap or over the shoulder with the chain strap that the multi pochette comes with. So with that in mind, let's see what fits if we were wearing just a small pochette alone. We all want to know if the phone fits. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max here. As you can see, my iPhone fits in the small pochette very nicely. I'll pop in my Saint Laurent card holder in it too, and personally, these are the two essentials I'd have with me in the small pochette. It closes very nicely with a surprisingly smooth zipper closure. It doesn't appear to be stuffed, which I like. I personally don't like to stuff my bags, but for fun, let's see what else fits. I have here a cream eyeshadow stick by Bobbi Brown. I just use my finger to blend, no brush needed, so it's great to travel with. Got my mini classic Swiss Army knife that my husband gifted me. You just never know if you'll need a pair of tweezers for something. Now, if I were to wear the two pochettes together, what I would put in a small pochette would probably be the same essentials I would put in my mini pochette, which is a lot of small little items. So the small pochette is about full here. I'm gonna try to fit a mascara in on top. I'm a little scared, to be honest, to zip this thing closed with the mascara in. So I'm gonna just take it out. If you can tell, even without the mascara, it has a bit of a bulge, but you can fit so many small little things in here. However, to me, this is quite pushing it a little, and personally, I will not stuff my pochette to a point that it creates this bulgy look. Now let's take a look at what fits in the big pochette. If you own the Louis Vuitton Pochette accessoire, it's practically the same bag, very close, if not exactly the same size. Okay, I will need to take some things out. Obviously, I've put way too many things in here. See if the big pochette will properly close without my sunnies. So it looks like the purse perfume is too tall when placed vertical, so I'll go ahead and place it on its side so it does close properly. But if it was me, the way I would pack the big pochette on a regular non-travel day, and given that I'll be wearing it with the small pochette attached, is I'll have my phone, my card holder, my sunnies, and that's it. Now let's see if the mini pochette fits inside the big pochette. I believe it does, but personally I would just use the small pochette for anything that I'd want to use the mini pochette for. But for fun, let's see what it would look like with a mini pochette inside the big pochette. You can see that the mini pochette fits inside the big pochette very nicely. Now let's see if a long wallet fits in the big pochette. As you can see, it fits in the big pochette very nicely. This Clement's wallet is smaller than the long zippy wallet, but it should also fit in the big pochette since it fits in the pochette accessoire. However, even with the Clement's long wallet, there is hardly any more room in the big pochette for much of anything else. I can maybe fit a lipstick, a stick foundation, and that's really all I'd like to put with a long wallet. Now in the small pochette, let's see how a small compact wallet like Louis Vuitton's Zoe wallet would fit with other things. Looks like with a small compact wallet, we have room for a few more items in the small pochette. For example, some mint, and mascara. Hope you enjoyed and found this bit helpful, but I'm not done just yet. Please stick around and I'll show you how many different ways to wear this magnificent bag. Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you a few different ways to wear the multi pochette. I'm probably not going to wear both of the straps together most of the time. For the most part, I'm probably just going to wear this just with the leather strap. But yeah, for sure, this is definitely, more appropriate for like a dressier look, in my opinion. So yeah, so this is one way to wear them. And I'm going to go ahead and take out the chain strap so you can see. It's more a casual look without the chain strap on. So when you get this, this is actually two separate straps. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and I'm gonna show you guys how to kind of reassemble it back together. Okay, so these are two separate straps, and they are exactly identical in length. They look exactly the same. On one end you have the clasp hook, and on the other end you have the leather loop. So to put them together, you're going to want to put them right on top of each other, and you're going to remember that you should have one clasp on each end, because obviously this will go and hook onto the D-ring on the bigger pochette. So to put them together, you're going to thread the end with the clasp through the leather loop, like so. And you're doing this side as well. This side's on the bottom. And that's what you have.
So I have a multi pochette right here. And I think we're talking about this strap, yeah, the long leather strap. So if you attach it to each side, or each corner rather, of the bag, this would be the long way. But it has these buttons at the top that you would unclasp, and then you would pull in the leather tabs at the end, and then you would clasp at the bottom. And now you can wear it over the shoulder. And then, so same thing, you would unclasp here, pull on the leather tab, clasp at the top, and now you got the long strap. Hope that helps.
Now I'm going to take the small pochette and show you how it looks with just the big pochette. And then you can also wear it with just the mini or the smaller pochette. How cute is that? I can definitely see myself using this as a go-to bag for, you know, like a quick errand. Because usually when I run errands, I just have my phone and my card holder, and that's it. I'm good to go. Now I'm going to show you how to wear it with just the chain strap. This is something I would wear over the shoulder, like so. I'll show you how to wear it with just a big pochette. And now with the small pochette alone. I'd personally just sling this over my shoulder like so. So cute. You can definitely wear it by itself, like a clutch.